This course is designed for maintenance workers and other support staff responsible for equipment repair and servicing. Why is this course vital? Maintenance and support professionals play a key role in ensuring the work equipment you operate is working, safe, and up to standard. And so, they also play a key role in ensuring adherence to the provision and use of work equipment regulations, or PUWER. Understanding PUWER will enable maintenance workers to square off inspection reports, advising and assisting on any issues identified. It will also aid them in ensuring guarding and controls are adequate, modifications are appropriately handled, and any documentation is in order should an inspection occur. Completing PUWER Essentials will help ensure maintenance professionals not only comply with PUWER regulations but also contribute significantly to a safer and more efficient workplace.